Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to get shift lock on Roblox Xbox. Well, the first thing I want you to go ahead and do is just launch Roblox on your Xbox and then just actually open up any game at all that actually supports shift lock, okay? Otherwise this will not be possible. And once you have that game launched up, just join the game and then I want you to go to your controller and there's this very specific key that I'll need you to press on your controller, okay? To do this on Roblox. Okay, what is this guy trying to do next to us? So just go ahead and press Y on your controller and that would enable shift lock, as you can see right here, okay? That's literally all you have to do, just press Y on your controller. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.